Torrey National Park. Now can we just drive through? Beach.
No, we're not here for a day. We are hiding something.
Squeaky Bay, Whiskey Bay, Darby Beach.
Tidal River 29.
Oh, there's Tidal River. We will explore this map. So I thought there's an entrance fee, but no, they're just gonna ask if are you gonna here for a day or for a week, for a month. So we're just here for a day, and they're just gonna give you a map. That's it. Cars going our way. They're going out and we're just going in. It's now, what time is it now? Almost 5? 4:58. I don't know how many we can go, because they say there's a lot to see at Wilson.
We're going
a day is not enough
to 5 Mile Road.
5 Mile Road.
And we're going to point 21. It's Miller's Landing Road. Nature Walk.
The sound. So this is how the road looks like. So this is going to, what is that? Bear?
Very Care Outlook.
Very Care, whatever. Saan siya?
Very Care Outlook.
Very Care Outlook. So we're here now, management or walker only. Maybe we can walk. No, di man tong car, di ba?
Stop looking.
Gateway to the Wilderness 5 Mile Road Park.
Hey.
So Cutter's Beach is 1.1 kilometers. Miller, so we were supposed to go very curve, but that's 3.8. 45 minutes walk. Cutter's Beach. It says this is going to Cutter's Beach. So that means we can just drive, no walk. Not walk.
Check them out.
So we start walking now to the Cottage Beach. 1.2 kilometer.
Whose stairs it so?
Hello. Hello.
No.
The strangers is so snobbish. This stranger is so snobbish. I like how straight it is, the road.
It's not very straight.
Like you will know where you're going. It's so nice to walk in here. Look. And the wind is so good. Cold but not that cold. Look at that. It's nice.
No,
So this is supposed to be a wet area.
Yep.
Supposed to be, but I think it dried. I think it dried out. Maybe this is the Cottage Lake. Cottage Beach is in there. Beach.
Let's stay here.
So murag na dry na siya diha.
it's kind of cool to look at, though. What's up with everything drying
It's
out
nice.
there?
It's cloudy.
Oh, it's now sand. Okay. So I think this is the way to the beach. Oops. Nice? Oh wow, look at that view. Can we go there?
Yeah.
At the beach?
We'll try and look for them.
Wow. And this side is a small lake. Oh wow. snake just crossed. It glides so fast. It was just a small one though. So now I can imagine how many snakes, small snakes, are lurking in there.
I'll push you
Both sides.
They're cute.
Now look.
Just go across. Are you taking photos of us as well?
Can we pass by?
Yeah.
So look who's in there looking at us. Let them go first.
Let them go away.
I'm scared they might like punch us.
It's their turf.
I know. They might want to go
they won't do
first.
anything.
Look at the kangaroos.
You see?
Oh, bye.
Oh, is that baby?
Oh, they got a baby. Oh, bye now. We're gonna leave you alone. I'm fine with the kangaroo passing by, but not the snakes,
I am
please.
too.
Not the snake.
What if I wake up one day and I become a snake? What will you do?
I want to put you away, Jim.
What? I'll put you away.
Oh, we're here actually. You can see the fence. Yeah. So we're back at the car park. But we're gonna move the car in there and maybe rest or eat, get something to eat before we hit the road. So we're back in the car. It was so beautiful. View is spectacular. I didn't expect that. I thought that's gonna be just an overlooking or something far from the beach, but it's really nice. You could really go to the actual beach in the sand. It's nice. That's the kind of beach that I want to go. Like peaceful. Like I want to swim. I don't like the beach that is so crowded. I don't want. I like that kind of beach. And the walk is okay. It's 1.2. It's almost just the same when we walk to the falls. But I think this one is more enjoyable. I think because of the weather. It's really nice. And
It's
like,
ako kadit ha.
I just eat. Until when the snake come along. ruin my walk. But it was also a good experience because I've never seen a snake before that would just naturally cross or appear in front of me, because the snakes that I saw in person are like those in the zoo, in the cage, that won't almost move, almost look like not real. That one is like really just. And then kangaroos, you can see a lot of wildlife in here. For the black ants, get away or I'll eat you.
Literally.
Kangaroo again. Do you want to cross? No, he's just chilling on the side. It's a wallaby?
Yeah, it's a wallaby.
What's the difference between wallaby and
It's more
kangaroo?
kayong face.
Oh, you got cute little face, wallaby. Have a great day, wallaby.
The wallabies, yes.
Yeah.
Slightly more rat-like.
So maybe you need to drive extra carefully, huh?
Yeah.
Slowly, kay Morok. The wildlife are coming
The rat
out.
princes are coming out.
We don't want to hit any of them, even the smallest snake. Back to the road, to the proper road. So where are we heading? Are we still following the map?
Yes.
Where are we going next? Let's check the map. We're actually going further. I thought we're going back. That's why I was wondering. So many cars coming our way. So they're actually going back now. I thought like they just came. We're the one who just came. There's so many lookouts in this area. That's like, what was that? This one is Glenny Lookout.
Yeah, they're way back.
On our way back. I think that's the Glenny Lookout. So everything on the right, we go back. We're all going home now. Oh, that's the Lily Gully and Mount Bishop. I heard that one as well. Here, this on the left. You want to check it out?
No, I think there's a part there.
Mount Bishop. Yeah, it's a little nature.
I want to go that
walk.
road there.
Okay, we'll keep
It's
driving.
really nice.
That road, that one there. Yeah, so that's Mount Oberon. Where is the road you would stay in? Tidal River. So overnight hikers, parker. So there. Well, we won't go overnight here. Just gonna drive. Okay. So that's the camping area there. If you wanna stay overnight, there. So there's a visitor center. That's the car park. There. So that's the camping. I think they also have some accommodations. Oh no, this is the visitor area. I think. Oh, so you see a lot of tent in there. So those are the camping area. Okay. So they have outdoor cinema here. Group lodges. Oh yeah. So they have. So they also have some activities here at the camp. Okay. Also in here. Some park in there.
We're gonna get out and do this.
So now we're heading to. What is that, Jay?
I don't know.
So we're now at Mount Oberon. 3 hours walk, 9.5 kilometer, and the refuge cove is 15 kilometer, 5 hours walk. Do you want to walk with us for 5 hours? So we'll just stay here and we'll drive again later.
You're using 2 gigabytes of mobile data.
Maybe we can drive from here more. So we went to that beach, Norman Beach, the camping overnight. So if you wanna stay here overnight, you can camp there if you have tent and all those stuff. But for me, I don't want the camping ground. They're so close to each other. It's so crowded.
What do you do with it?
If you're into it, if you're into those types, you don't mind, then you can camp. But me, I want those camping. If you want privacy, then that one there is so crowded. I prefer the one in like Little Desert.
Little Desert.
Yeah, where there's too far, you cannot see the other campers, and then there are river. It's so nice. I wanna go camp there. If I'm gonna stay here more than a day, maybe I'm gonna get an accommodation. But you have to book for like months before, because around this time of year, they're usually fully booked. So here in this car park, Telegraph Saddle car park, so this is where you start if you want to climb Mount Oberon in there. So that one there, starting in there. See, those two people, they're going for a hike, the mountain. You don't want to walk on the mountain?
No.
Actually, it's not really like a mountain climbing. The road is sealed, and I've seen in the photos. It's just like walking in like that. Not so hard. Easy to medium walk only. You don't need to be a pro.
There's a view there.
Okay, let's check it out. There's a tiny overlook here. We're here. At the bottom of Mount Oberon, not at the top.
Just at the bottom.
Not at the top. Next time.
You want to sit there, Jim? Sit there, come. I'm gonna push you.
Okay. We'll see if we can wait for the sunset here. So we are now going to Squeaky Beach. 300 meter only. So we're in top of the snow, of the sand, from the Squeaky Beach. I didn't hear the sand squeak. Yeah. It's not even that high. I'm already exhausted. So we came from down there. Hello. Oh, there's the sun. I want to see the sunset. Look at the view of the beach. It's so lovely though.
Oh,
Let's check. Yeah. Oh. You can hear the sand squeaking in the background. Yeah, so that's why they call this place Squeaky Beach.
What nice boulder.
Look at those. Ah, not a water. Oh, nice. This place. Oops. Nice landing.
Hello, even it.
Yeah, the sound of the squeaking beach.
Yeah.
Squeaky sound. Where are you going?
There.
Wait.
What?
I got back. Move up.
What's in here? Gana again.
Look at this.
It's like a big open space here.
Really?
And it's still.
Everyone's just chilling now, doing some photo shoots. We're in the outside world again. I can't believe there's more in behind those rocks. I thought like only these three for me. Other dimension behind these rocks.
Keep going, Sanjay.
Yeah. Niset na ba ang sun?
It's starting to, I
It's
think.
starting to, because I wanna find a nice spot to see the sunset. Maybe here is a good spot near the beach. So what time is it now? 8:47. The sun is just setting. Hello, we stopped by at Norman Lookout to see the sunset there. Oh, there's the sunset. So what time is it now? 8:47. Yeah, the sun is just setting. Look at the view, the sky, like pastel pink. Beautiful. Now we'll go. Never seen such pink sky before.